Hey there. I know watching someone you care for struggle at mealtime can be scary. Choking is a serious risk, especially for elderly folks. But with a few simple steps, you can make every meal safer and know what to do if things go wrong. Let's start with prevention. First, always make sure the person is sitting upright. Good posture helps food go down the right way. Next, choose foods that are soft and easy to chew. Mashed potatoes, scrambled eggs. Avoid hard, dry, or sticky foods. Nuts, raw carrots. Tough meats. Cut food into small, bite-sized pieces. Remind your loved one to take it slow. Chewing thoroughly and swallowing each bite before the next makes a huge difference. If they have dentures, double-check that they fit well. Poorly fitting dentures can make chewing tricky and increase choking risk. Now, keep distractions to a minimum. Turn off the TV, put away phones, focus on eating. This helps everyone stay mindful of the meal. And don't rush, mealtime isn't a race. But what if someone does start to choke? Here's what you need to remember. If they can cough, encourage them to keep coughing. It's their body's way of clearing the airway. Don't hit them on the back if they're still coughing or talking. If they can't speak, breathe, or are making high-pitched sounds, act fast. Call for help immediately. Stand behind them. Lean them slightly forward. Give up to 5 firm back blows between the shoulder blades. If that doesn't work, switch to abdominal thrusts, the Heimlich maneuver. Keep alternating between back blows and thrusts until the object comes out or help arrives. Remember, staying calm can save lives. Take a first aid class if you can. It's one of the best ways to prepare yourself. You've got this. Making mealtime safe is one of the most caring things you can do. Take care.